Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Jumbo Josh as a muscular Jumbo Josh from the Garten of Banban. Let's get started. This is for beginners, so stick around till the very end. It's a very short lesson. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start with his head, and I'm just going to curve right here over the side of his head. I'm going to go to the top now over here, just kind of across the top. Curve around the corner here slowly. Curve in. Alright. Gonna go down right here for the neck. Down right here for the neck. Right on. And I'm gonna go out over here, pull out for the shoulder. It's gonna be pretty big because we're doing a muscular version of him. Curve in here for the bottom of the deltoid. Curve right here for the bicep. Back over here for the tricep. Line down over here, elbow. Out over here for the forearm. And the edge of his hand over here in this area. Line right here. Knuckle right here, knuckle right here, knuckle right here. And the back of the forearm right there. Line, line, line. Curve right there for the, that's a brachioradialis muscle. Line over here for the back of the bicep. There's a brachialis muscle. Line over here for the extensors and flexors of the hand. Right on. Let's go over here to pectoralis. Pectoralis. And I'm going to draw the middle part before I go over here on this side. So right here I'm going to draw like there, the rib cage going down. Rib cage going down to the legs. And his legs are going to be the same. One nub of a foot. Nub of a foot over here. Line across. Over here on this side. Out. Down. For the other end right there. Curve right here for the deltoid. Deltoid's that shoulder muscle. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button if you like this kind of stuff. If you like, Garten of Banban, if you like lessons or anything like that, hit the like. The like really helps the algorithm. But yeah, definitely do that if you can. Curve right here for the bicep. Line over here for the same thing, the forearm going down. And around that same level, I'm going to pull the thumb out in. Line up, line over here. Cool, cool, cool. Let's go to the tricep now. Down. Line down over here. Elbow. Out over here. Knuckle, knuckle, knuckle. Line up, line up. So you got these huge kind of Popeye looking arms. But yeah, so far so good. Hopefully you're following this. And let's keep moving, alright? Also, if you like learning how to draw something cute, there's a cute drawing ebook that we have in the description. Cute is about proportion. That's kind of it kind of relates to this in some way. So when you draw something cute, right, you don't draw every feature big or every feature small. You have to make it look a certain way, and that is proportion. So big eyes, small mouth, and then so on. That stuff is really specific, and I give you a 6-page, ebook, and it's real simple. It's just like a visual ebook. You just look at it and boom, you understand what to do. So go take a look at that. That's going to be in the description if you really want to learn that stuff. And the cool part is you'll remember that stuff forever. You just kind of glance at it. 100% free. The only catch is you have to find it in the description. Okay, so let's go over here now to the face. Line across. Down over here. Across over here. Up. Right on. Go rid of the teeth. It's like U shapes across. And then these gravestone style shapes over here. There we go, fill this in. There we go, just filling this area in. Cool, cool. Now let's go to the eyes. I'm gonna go over here on this side, and the eyes are pretty far away from each other, but they're circles, so circle right here. And circle right here, kind of around the edges of the mouth, in that area. Gonna go right here now. Curve for the iris and pupil as 1, and we're gonna fill that in. Fill this in. All right. Now we're going to go into detail. When you're working on any drawing, you want to start with the outer stuff, and then the details, like usually, not always, if you're in line work, thinner lines. So let's draw a thinner line right here for the top of the pectoralis, the chest muscle. That's like generally thinner. Line down the middle. We've got the abs, right? That's basically like that. Very simple. We can go over here, and it's kind of, I don't want to say infinite, but, oh yeah, I forgot that was a detail, right? I don't want to say infinite, but you can kind of more or less just start drawing these. If you learn anatomy, you can draw like little thin lines, illustration of the pectoralis. If you don't know anatomy, go check out the stuff on Skillshare or on Udemy. I don't know if I have a description. I don't know if I have a link in the description. Go check that out. I give entire lessons on that. I'm actually working on a full-blown, lesson program right now, but that's not going to be out for probably a couple months. But just to kind of let you know, line over here, line over here, line there, line here, line here. And again, we're throwing these thin lines, like let's say around the rib cage right there, just kind of, again, it gives it more detail. And generally, it makes it look more complicated, and it kind of gives it a little bit more realism. Realism for something like this. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are amazing. I love that people are reaching out to me. Say hi to me. I will talk to you in the next video, okay? Also, I'm starting to go live now every week. I don't have a schedule yet, but so far, I'm going live mostly on the weekends, so thank you so much. I'll catch you later, all right? See you later, Art Addicts, and I'll see you soon.